Hi guys and welcome to part 3 of Build an Outfit with Me series. Today we're going to be recreating this look. We don't have the exact pair of jean. So what we're going to do is I have an old pair of jean lying in my closet. We're going to cut it knee length and we're going to style this entire look. If you haven't watched my previous 2 videos, I urge you do that because it might be useful for you. So let's begin. Extremely sorry for the audio issues because my mic just died mid shooting and in between getting the shots perfect for this video, so please excuse me. I have put it on charging but I'm not sure if I'll be able to use it while making this, and I can't waste another day. I hope you guys understand. Okay, this is the wonderful pair of jeans I was talking about. You can see it just got it out from my closet there. Now let's begin experimenting. Also, I'm gonna cut it like this. If this is your knee, if it goes too much up, it should not go up too much and it should not go down too much. So in mid and center, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. And we're gonna try. Now I'm just gonna cut it randomly. Don't judge me, alright? I'm just way too confident of myself. And cut it. I'll just cut it, I guess. I'm gonna cut it from here. My heart says just do it, so I'm gonna do it. I am sorry. Okay, I don't have a good pair of scissors. क्या पता क्या होगा, guys? Wait. I'm not sure if you can see, but you shall see when I'm done. Can't do everything on my own. Camera भी दिखाओ, कट भी करो, सब कुछ करो. खुद से कर रही हो और थोड़ा समझ लो, ठीक है? Damn, it's not too thick, but the scissor. I did it. But I only did one part as if I have a strong pair of scissors. अच्छा तो दिख रहा है. Let's see. Let me cut the other half as well. I'm still cutting. Okay guys, I think we did it. Here we are. Can you see this? Now let's style the entire fit. Guys, let me tell you something that before revealing the fit, I have to tell you this, that you can literally pair up this short jeans with sweatshirt, hoodies, and some more casual white fits. Let me show you one or two that I'll be doing right now. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is the look that we pull off after cutting it. Now this looks a bit empty to me, so I'm gonna add in something. This is the sweater that I've put on over the blue crop top, and you can literally style it the way you wish to. If you can add on in the belt if the waist is loose for you, but I find it pretty cool to style it this certain way. Now let me add a simple white plain top and show you how it looks. This is how pretty white looks. This is my personal opinion, but I'm pretty sure blues and whites never disappoint. You can see this. This is a simple white on the blue. Okay guys, I really loved creating this video for you and I love how it turned out. Exactly, I had this planned in my head and it turned out to be like that. Also, you can level up by adding on accessories, layering it up, adding some handbags and stuff like that. I just showed you a rough inspo because I had nowhere to go, so I didn't carry any bag or jewelry or stuff like that. But this, I had fun doing this and listening randomly to my heart. I hope you guys love this as well. And stay tuned for the next video. And I hope you guys keep sharing and pouring your love over me. Bye bye. Take care. See you next time.